Hello everybody, I'm Tommy Cat. In this video, I shall be unboxing the brand new Creative ZEN Hybrid headphones. This headphone is hot off the press and it was just launched here in June 2022. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. In case you are new on my channel is about gadgets, personal growth, and Singapore. In this package comes with the Creative ZEN Hybrid headphones. They have also included a pouch. And what do we have here? We have a USB charging cable and a 3.5mm auxiliary in audio cable and a start guide. First things first, the number one thing that I really like about this headphone is its price. I mean, Creative is a great brand. Their audio hardware, although not really always the nicest looking, does somewhat deliver the right audio quality for its price range. This Creative ZEN Hybrid has a launch price of just 149 Singapore dollars if you buy it on their website. I think it will be hard to find a headphone from a reputable brand like Creative that is equipped with active noise cancelling at this price range. Actually, you know what? Here's a tip for you. If you sign up with their newsletter at their website, you get 60 Singapore dollars off that price. Next, let's talk briefly about some features that make Creative ZEN Hybrid a purchase worth considering. This headphone actually has multiple feed-forward and feedback microphones for superior active noise cancellation. This means that you can savor your music without being disturbed by the surrounding noise. Of course, for those moments that you need to hear important prompts, the headphones ambient mode will let in just the right amount of outside noise to enable you to have a better situation awareness of your surroundings. The headphones comes with two custom-tuned 40mm drivers that produces rich and powerful audio with exceptional audio quality for immersive experience. Its Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity would allow you to wirelessly connect to your favorite devices so that you can enjoy uninterrupted audio playback with rich and detailed sound quality. As for its battery life, you only need 1.5 hours of charging time, and this headphone will allow you to power through the entire day with up to 27 hours of playtime on a single charge with active noise cancelling enabled. With this kind of battery, I think I'll probably be the one who is out of battery first. If you ever come across a situation where the battery is totally drained out, you can always plug in the included 3.5mm audio cable to continue enjoying your music. As you can see, this headphone is pretty compact. You can simply fold up the ear cups for added portability and easily stow it away into the included pouch. And it only weighs 271 grams. Here you go. With its fitted leatherette ear pads, I'm sure I can wear these headphones throughout the entire day without feeling excessive strain on my ears and neck. Last but not least, You'll be glad to know that this headphones works with iOS Siri and Android Google Assistant to issue voice commands seamlessly while you enjoy your music. Well, that's a wrap. This unboxing and brief review is hardly exhaustive. If you have any questions about this creative ZEN Hybrid headphones, leave your questions in the comments section below and I'll try to answer them. If you like this video, do remember to click like and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for future unboxing video. Until my next video, peace.